Hi folks, just a quick update video on the next sort of lumen job for the R32. The drop links are rattling, and that's a sort of light rattle noise as you go over bumps, joins in the road, speed bumps, etc, etc. I've had a look at the drop links front and back, and they're all pretty much past their best. I could see the bushings have worn out and they're actually quite rusty. So I would say there probably are the original ones that have been on the car, and bear in mind there's 50,000-60,000 miles in the car, but either way, good thing to replace. And just to show you the drop links I've went for, these are the rears, the Meyle or Meyle OE ones. They are standard replacement items for the rear, which are the shorter drop links. The longer drop links for the front are the Meyle HD ones, the heavy duty items. I couldn't get heavy duty items for the rear items. I would have if I could, but anyway, those are the front items, which are the heavier duty ones, which are that wee bit stronger. Generally the ball joint at the end of them is slightly bigger, so it should last a bit longer, and whether I'll actually see it in the road should last a bit longer than a small performance upgrade. So I'm going to get stuck into starting to prep for this job now, and this is me, so my prep's going to be sanding these back, giving them a little key and putting a lick of paint on them more just so they last that bit longer. So it's a nice sunny day and a bit windy, as you can hear, so I'll get them painted up and get them ready, and if I get time today after giving the R32 a wash, I'll get them fitted, and certainly maybe try to get the rears fitted first. You can also see within the drop links you get the new nut and stud as well to go with, and same with the fronts, not there and not there. So it comes with all the hardware. The nuts and the OE items can be quite crusty, so I might have good fun trying to get them off. So if I end up damaging them or end up having to cut them off, it's not a big problem because obviously a replacement is there. But yeah, the sort of next video clip will probably be me fitting the rear items.